Ava. Ava. Hey. Hey. You want to see your brother? You want to talk to your brother? Okay. Here, wait. Wait. You can have the camera, but I'm going to take a video of you and your brother. Hold on. Let me put it there. Wait, I'll get it for you.
No.
Talk to your brother for a minute, and then you can have the camera, okay?
Oh.
Now, first, wait, give your brother a kiss.
No.
You want the camera?
I
Don't push your brother. Give him a kiss.
No.
Look, Ava, he's looking at you. Look. Look, he's looking at you. Ava. Your brother. You give Dominic a kiss, I'll let you see the camera. You gotta be nice to your brother, Ava. You gotta be nice to him. You're such a grump. You won't even look at me. Bless you. Aw, now give him a kiss. Give him a kiss and you can have the camera. Give him a kiss. He's looking at you. Give him a kiss. Look. Give him a look. Now give him a kiss. Now give him a kiss like Mommy did. Give him a kiss and I'll take him away. Give him a kiss and Mommy will take him away. And then you can have the camera. He's looking at you. Give him a kiss. Who wants a kiss? Give him a kiss.